Now, let us look at how to use these expressions we saw earlier. D'après moi, bleu est la meilleure couleur. In my opinion, blue is the best color. Quant à moi, je ne suis pas using interrogative sentences. Also, please be mindful of the pronoun that you are using. Que pensez-vous de? Quel est votre avis sur? Qu'en penses-tu? Tu as raison. And for elders or groups of people, you can use vous avez raison. The next one is a little bit different. Tu n'as pas tort. Vous n'avez pas tort. This expression can be used when you're reluctantly agreeing with something. You don't think the other person is completely right nor completely wrong. Je suis de ton avis or je suis du même avis. This is used when you share the same opinion of another person. We're done with the objectives for the video. Hope you find it